Imagine never running out of power, whether you're at the park, you're working remotely, or even a sudden blackout at home. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Santi with the Tech Utopia team, and today I'm here to talk to you about the OUKITEL P1000 Plus. The P1000 Plus is a portable power station with high capacity, a compact size, fast sliding charging that is an everyday backup, ready to take anywhere.
Now, looking at it from a video perspective, you would expect it to be very heavy, but it's only 26 pounds, and the P1000 Plus feels a lot lighter than you would expect for only 1024 watts. It's not only powerful, but it's also practical, and it's something that you can toss in the car and carry it onto the park without feeling weighted down. Now, out of the box, you're gonna get a starting guide and 2 cables, one of them being so you can charge the actual portable station, and the other one being for the adapter of the solar panels.
One of my favorite features about any brand new product is the fact that you can start using it right away out of the box, and this is no different. So let me just show you how it works. You can start with the left side with the master power switch, and you can hold it for 2 seconds and it will turn on. Next, you're gonna have the DC master switch and the AC as well. All you have to do is just press it one time and it will turn on. Turn it off just by pressing it one more time. So next is going to be the light, and it has 3 different modes. First is going to be this one right here, that it has a continuous mode just in case if you want to just light whatever for a long time. The next one, if you want a little bit of an alert, this is the one. Press it one more time and it will start flashing. And the last one is a lot slower, but it's still flashing, and pressing one more time and it will turn off. Now let's move on to the right side. We're gonna have 2 DC outputs of 12 volts each, a cigarette lighter, and 4 AC units of 20 watts each. Next is going to be 4 USB ports, 2 of them being a USB-A and then 2 of them being a USB-C. The 2 USB-A's are 18 watts, a USB-C of 20 watt, and a USB-C of 100 watts. All right guys, over here, I'm going to test it out. I have quite a few items, and I'm going to plug them in because I'm going to show you how much power we're about to output. Starting off with the camera batteries. So let's go ahead and plug them in into the 18 watt over here, and it's charging. Everything is good. Next, let's go ahead and plug in my e-bike battery over here so I can have some charge to go on the weekend. And let's plug it in into the AC outlet over here and turn it on with the switch over here, the power switch. We are going to plug in a small lamp just in case to simulate an outage, a random outage that you might get in your house and you have a lamp. So let there be light. We're gonna have some light. And last but not least, I'm going to plug in my phone because we need to stay connected during a sudden blackout. So it is charging. I have light. I can go on the bike to get some food, and I can charge my camera to make some content. So that is fantastic. How much wattage are we getting overall? We are getting an output of 325 watt, which is fantastic because the max that it can do is 1024. For something so small and so portable, I think that is incredible. Now, of course, I'm just testing some of these households, that is basic stuff, but in case of emergencies, you can also use the air fryer. You can charge your phone to stay connected, and you can plug in the Wi-Fi so you can have Wi-Fi go on the internet and also stay connected. So with your family, your friends, tell them that you are okay. Now, if you're ready to charge it, just get the AC charger that came with it, lift the tab in the back, and once you plug it in, you're gonna begin to see how it starts to charge. Right now it's giving us more than 1,000 watts of input, which is great and very fast charging.
Now, when you're ready to download the app, the easiest way is going to be getting the start guide, and you can scan the QR code, which is going to take you directly onto the App Store, where you're going to be able to download it with your credentials, then start creating the account and enable the Wi-Fi so you can connect. With the OUKITEL P1000 Plus, you don't just get power, you get a full control. With a remote managed via a companion app, you can monitor real-time battery levels, toggle fast charging modes, set UPS thresholds, and manage power flow. So whether you're enjoying at the park, working outdoors, or preparing for emergencies at home, the OUKITEL P1000 Plus has your back. Pick one up today and stay powered wherever life takes you. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.